Welcome to 5094 Albert Owens Road in the heart of picturesque Obion County, Tennessee. If you're searching for the perfect country retreat, look no further. Bring your horses and get ready to experience the charm of this updated country home nestled on approximately 5 acres. This property comes complete with a range of fantastic extras, starting with a spacious 4-stall horse barn. Picture this: new trusses, a metal roof, and siding that adds both durability and rustic charm. Your horses are sure to feel right at home here. But that's not all. There's a generous 40 by 40 detached workshop, perfect for storing your Class A motorhome. It's equipped with 50 amp service and boasts 2 convenient roll-up doors. And here's the kicker: it's wired, insulated, and even comes with an HVAC. And speaking of workshops, there's another detached shop. A 40 by 30, it's wired and insulated, has a solid concrete floor and a roll-up door. It's a great spot to store your mower, your ATV, side-by-side, extra vehicles, whatever you need. Now let's take a look inside the home. You'll notice the house has new thermal pane windows that bring in a lot of natural light. The kitchen has been completely updated with new cabinets, has a soft closed doors and drawers, and nice granite countertops. Hardwood flooring is all through the main living area downstairs, providing a warm and inviting atmosphere. But there's more to this home than meets the eye. An EF5 rated storm shelter is cleverly built in off the den, easily accessible from the interior. Now let's talk about the land. This property is an ideal spot for your horses and livestock. Imagine waking up to the tranquility of the countryside, surrounded by nature and open spaces. Don't miss out on this opportunity. This country paradise offers not only a comfortable home, but a lifestyle that embraces the beauty of rural living. Go ahead and bring your horses and make this dream property your reality. Contact me today and secure your own slice of Tennessee real estate.